Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Candy tumble dryer, Grando Comfort, model number GCC 590NB. It's a big one. It's a condenser tumble dryer. The condenser is down the front, and the water tank is also down the front on this one. If you've got to empty the water, that's where it is. There's a little light for that. There's a little light for the filter. If they flash, you know that's what you need to do. The condenser's down here. We'll take a look at how to clean that. Just open it up. Sometimes if the machine's spilling water out, you need to empty the drawer and clean this. Sometimes the sensor in these things doesn't work. This one's remarkably clean, but I've got another video where I show a really dirty one on how to clean it. This one, it's actually not worth cleaning. It's so clean. If you can get right in there, you can see through all those fins. Let's look at it from the other side. So there's some of the fins. There's through from back to front. You can see the light. You know, this is quite a clean machine, really, as these machines go. And you can see in there there's a little bit of fluff in it, but nothing major. But if you did need to clean it, take this whole unit out. It's made of metal and plastic. Just run it under a tap, get a bottle brush, scrub it until it's clean, and away you go. Just lock it back in place there. And then the other thing inside is the filter. And this is something that, you know, this machine's pretty gross. It's been used for jeans, I would guess, by the colour on the inside of the door there. The filter's in here. This is something you need to do all the time after every load. Pop this up. Ooh, come on. Snap the front off, and there's hair and crud in there. That's pretty gross. That's probably not been done enough. You want to clean that out until, you know, I would say spotless each time, but as good as spotless. And then just snap it back together and drop it in. And you can see in there, it's fine. You know, you could, it's up to you how clean you want your appliances, but this could be cleaner. This machine, it works. It had a fault with the thermal trip on the back of it. It's got a one-time thermal trip that you have to replace, and it's only a few quid to replace it, but you've got to take the cowling off the back, and I show how to do that in another video. I'll pop a link up to that, and there'll be a link below. But yeah, if your condenser is blocked, that's it. If your filter is blocked, it's in there. If your tank's blocked, it's in there. It's a pretty simple machine. You turn it on and press start, and there you go. It's got a delay start function and a kind of a low power function with the synthetics. Not much to it. Decent little machine. I don't know how much they cost, but I wouldn't buy these things new. This one's missing its fascia, so I can't do anything with it. But any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.